Tired of the same old controller? Today, we're going to get your PlayStation controller up and running on Forza Horizon 5 on PC so you can dominate those races. First things first, make sure Forza Horizon 5 is closed before we connect your controller now. You're going to have to choose your connection method if your PC has Bluetooth. That's the easiest option. If not, you can use a USB cable. For Bluetooth, on your PC open up your Bluetooth settings and make sure Bluetooth is turned on now. Grab your PlayStation controller and put it into pairing mode usually. That involves holding down the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time until the light starts flashing. The controller should then appear in your Bluetooth devices list on your PC. Click to connect. If you're using a USB cable, simply plug the USB cable into both your PlayStation controller and your PC. Windows should detect the controller automatically. Now, go ahead and launch Forza Horizon 5. Once you're in the game, navigate to the in-game settings menu. Inside the settings, go to controller options. The game should automatically recognize your PlayStation controller. If it doesn't, there might be a compatibility issue. Try restarting the game or your PC. That's it. You should now be able to use your PlayStation controller in Forza Horizon 5. Hit the track and have fun. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more gaming tips. Happy racing!